Removing stucco and replacing it during a window installation involves a careful and precise process. The stucco around the window is cut around the perimeter of the window to create a clean edge to prevent the stucco from cracking beyond the desired removal area. This is done by using a diamond blade saw. Once the stucco is cut, the old window is carefully removed from the frame. Ice and water shield tape is then applied. The new window is checked for fit in the existing opening, and adjustments are made as necessary to ensure a snug fit. Insulating foam, ice and water shield tape are applied around the frame, and that prevents drafts and improves energy efficiency. Styrofoam and fiberglass mesh is then attached around the new window frame over the exposed areas where the old stucco was removed. This foam and mesh serve as a base layer for the new stucco. A base coat of stucco is applied over the mesh. After the scratch coat has dried, a second coat is applied to smooth the surface and ensure it's level with the rest of the wall. Once cured, the stucco can be painted to match the surrounding walls if necessary. This process ensures that the new window is not only functional, but also matches the appearance of the existing home, maintaining structural integrity and aesthetic appeal.